Anatomy and Physiology, written by the Center of Excellence, narrated by Greyson. Introduction. Your body is truly its own universe, made up of very small structures organized to function as a whole. What is truly incredible is that the human body, with all its intricate, complicated, and sensitive functions, originates in a single cell. You will come to understand the journey of that single cell, how it builds to become your body, mind, and senses, and then how it all comes together to empower you to be the individual you are. Here is what we will cover. Module 1. Structural Organization in the Body. You'll learn about the different levels of structural organization in the body, the importance of homeostasis and metabolism for correct body function, cell structure, structure and function of the main tissue types. Module 2. Skin, hair and nails. Structure and function of the skin, characteristics of different skin types, structure and function of the nails and hair. Module 3. The skeletal system. Function of the skeleton, structure of bone, growth and development of bone, different types of bones in the body, different types of joints and their range of movement. Module 4. Divisions of the skeletal system, which is a continuation of Module 3, the division of skeletal system and their functions. Module 5. The muscular system, the function of the muscular system, structure and function of the different types of attachments of muscles, how muscles contract, position and action of muscles. Module 6. The digestive system, the function of the digestive system, process of digestion from ingestion of food to the elimination of waste, structure and function of organs associated with digestion, absorption of nutrients and their use in the body. Module 7. The respiratory system, function of the respiratory system, main structures of the respiratory system and their functions, process of interchange of gases in the lungs, mechanism of breathing. Module 8. The cardiovascular system, the composition of blood, the significance of the different types of blood cells, major blood vessels of the heart, the pulmonary and systemic blood circulation. Module 9. The blood, the function of blood, composition of blood, transport of blood. Module 10. The lymphatic system, functions of the lymphatic system, definition of lymph and how it is formed, the connection between lymph and blood, the circulatory pathway of lymph, position and drainage of the main lymphatic nodes in the body. Module 11. The endocrine system, the function of the endocrine system, the definition of a hormone, the principal hormone secretions from the main endocrine glands and their effects on the body. Module 12. The reproductive system, functions of the reproductive systems, structure and function of the parts of the female and male reproductive systems. Module 13. The urinary system, the functions of the urinary system, individual parts of the urinary system and their functions, kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Module 14. The nervous system, function and organization of the nervous system, characteristics of nervous tissue, structure and function of different types of neurons, transmission of nerve impulses. Module 15. The special senses, function and structure of the eye and ears, vision and hearing, how the special senses are connected to the nervous system, anatomical terminology. The anatomical position. Before beginning your anatomy studies, you should become familiar with some of the vocabulary used to describe various aspects of the human body. By using the same terminology, it's easier to understand what is being referred to. So before learning the particulars about the anatomy of a region, we will take a look at some of the terminology. In anatomical terminology, all parts of the body are described in relation to other body parts using a standardized body position, known as the anatomical position. In this position, the body is assumed to be standing, feet on the floor, arms to the side, and the head, eyes and palms of the hand facing forwards. Directional terms. Directional terms describe the positions of structures relative to other structures or locations.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?